Yeah, right down there. I can't. Oh, there we go.
Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 2:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Colorado Springs, Security, Black Forest, Falcon, Fort Carson, Cimarron Hills, Strathmore, Peterson Air Force Base and Security Wide Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.